Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and I have the most adorable bakery box. This is from Leafiew. It comes in a bag of 20, very easy to assemble, but I love that you can use this for a variety of things. I love to use them for when I'm baking, whether it's cookies, cake, cupcakes, cinnamon rolls. They make the perfect personal box for someone. So if you're concerned about germs, these are ideal for you. I love to use them for a personal box for charcuterie. We live in wine country, and so there's perfect on-the-go snack box. They also are perfect for gifts. You can fancy them up. This little window here allows you to make it look presentable and adorable. Maybe even put a card with their name in there and then some ribbon on top. So whatever you need it for, this box will suit your needs. Charcuterie, I can do cheese, fruit, bread, some olives. So it is definitely jam-packed. Also, I love that it comes with this liner. So when you're inserting them into the box, they make it perfect so that if there's any spills, it won't come onto the cardboard. And even more, it has these adorable little thank you. So if you're giving a gift as a thank you or lifting someone's spirits, those cute little tags will be perfect to put onto the box at the end here. So to seal them. So I love them, and I know that you'll find a variety of reasons to use this box and try it out, find out for yourself. And that's my point of view.